You think you have a great case, but if you are demanding, if you are nasty, if you are not respectful to me or my staff, guess what? I'm not going to take you on as a client. You want to know why? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Many of these cases take anywhere from 2 to 3 years to resolve. And now, during that time, if I know at the very beginning that you are nasty, if you are demanding, if you are obnoxious, I will not take you on as a client, even if you have a great case, even if you have a valid case. You want to know why not? Because I have to live with you for the next 2 or 3 years. You have to live with me for the next 2 or 3 years. And if I know at the very beginning that our communications are going to be difficult, if you're going to tie my hands by telling me what I can and cannot do during the course of your case, then I'm going to tell you very respectfully, I'm sorry, but you are not the ideal client for me. You'll have to get up and go find another attorney who's willing to take you on as a client. And you may be saying, wait a second, but I have a great case. I want you as my attorney. Well, I understand that, but the problem is I will not take on someone who is disrespectful to my staff or to myself. I will not take on someone who is demanding and obnoxious and who claims to know more than I do, claims to know more than other attorneys. Why? Because unless you do this every single day and have a career worth of experience, you are not going to know the strategies and tactics and techniques that are going to help you prosecute your case. So, if you're open-minded, if you're willing to listen, if you're willing to accept the advice that we have from a lifelong career of doing these types of cases, then maybe you're the right one for me. But, on the other hand, if you're demanding, if you're nasty, if you're obnoxious, if you're not respectful, then I'm going to tell you politely, I'm sorry, but you are not the right type of case for me. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what can happen if you come in with that type of attitude and that type of opinion. I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.